Today's look is Greta from Gremlins. Be sure to like and subscribe to see all the looks coming up next. To turn myself into my favorite gremlin, I had to make a prosthetic for my face. I made the piece itself with a mask, latex, and flour mix that I've linked in a video by Max SFX Makeup down below. I sculpted the face piece, made a rubber mold, molded the prosthetic, and pre-painted it, and then I was ready to go. To start, I put in some contacts from one of my favorite brands, PRIMAL lenses in the style Acid 2, which I do also have linked below with all the materials used today. Before applying the face piece, I'm going to focus on the body. Blocking in the neck, chest, and arms, I'm working between yellows and greens. After everything is covered, I tap a few dots of yellow onto the green areas. Holding the mask in place, I then mark the edges with a pencil where the mask will sit. I line the center areas of my face and the edges with liquid latex, as well as the inside edges and center of the back of the mask. Once dry, I set in place slowly, as you really only have one good shot at it. I then press all around to make sure that it's stuck down well. Next, I tap a layer of liquid latex around the outside onto my skin and overlapping onto the mask. For the thicker edges, I place in the crease some cotton and coat that in latex as well. While the latex dries, I powder over the green portions of the body with the green eyeshadow to set for blending later. I then cover the skin areas on my face and ears with a green body paint base and blend down into the neck. Next, I set the yellow with a translucent powder. I then went in with a darker green body paint to blend in with the colors of the mask. To help blend onto the body, I stipple with the tips of my brush the darker green for a really easy way to add some quick texture throughout and help bring the look together a bit more. Focusing on the eyes next, I apply a base lavender toned paint to my upper lids and layer with some pink and purple shadows to help with the tone to match the purple areas on the mask. Once I'm happy with the color, I add the darker green tone to the lower lids and set with translucent powder. For the eyes, I use 2 sets of dramatic lashes layered for effect. Time for a sparkly red number and an emerald green wig set in place with hairspray and a couple craft foamed ears added. I added a creepy monster hand with a full tutorial coming soon for that and the ears, and we can call this look done. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I know that you have a huge selection to choose from here on YouTube, and I'm so very grateful each and every time that you choose to watch one of my videos. I'll see you next time.